Hi guys, welcome. I've been offline for a period. I've been offline. If you check my video, it is over 10 days I dropped a video. I traveled for some personal stuff, and yes, I'm back. First, I want to inform you guys that I'm officially back. How have you guys been? I've missed you all. What's going on? What's the update? I might be a little bit tired. If you notice from my voice that my voice is not very clear, but I want you guys to understand that I'm still in. I'm in game with the 20,000 naira giveaway that will be happening very soon. As at the time I give that announcement, we were 18,000 subscribers, and currently we are 19,000, there about 19,000 subscribers. So we are just 1,000 subscribers to go, and we'll be giving out 20,000 naira. One of the criteria we have decided, that's you guys and I, because I made a video where I explained the whole stuff and you guys told me what you wanted. One of the criteria we are using to pick our winners. One of the ways we've agreed that we are going to do this is that we are going to give 5,000 naira to 4 people. So 4 people are going to win 5,000 naira. And I'm still trying to figure out how we are going to select the winners, right? What metrics? Are we going to do the top 5 people to comment, which me personally I don't like that? Or are we going to ask people to just write what they want to do with the money? But I think 5k is some money that people will not start writing epistle about. Am I to select randomly? I need a very good idea. Yes, I'm stuck in the idea part. If I get a very good idea, then I will be able to work with that, and it's very easy for us to proceed from there. So guys, that is the first thing. I want to just inform you guys that I'm back. I'm making a couple of videos. I'll be dropping them. One, and secondly, the giveaway is guaranteed. We are definitely going to do it, whether we like it or not. That giveaway must happen. And thirdly, I need you guys to comment and tell me the criteria we are going to use to select our winners. The criteria, so that I will have that in the back of my mind. Thank you guys for that. I'll be looking forward to your comments so that I can know what to do and what to proceed and how to proceed from here. Bye for now. I'll be dropping another video very, very soon. Just sorry about my voice. I've been through a lot of stress this week, but it is what it is. Alpha Wolf signing out.